Sure. No problem. No problem. Yeah. I'm just recording so that in case somebody has not attended this call and still wants to serve, they can hear the recording. So that's why I'm recording. Okay. So thank you all once again. So Provision Matajis, the event of 3rd October is a very important event. Don't just think that it's an event where we have distributed Bhagavatams and we are going to give it to some people, or it's just a delivery exercise, or something like just a exercise where we are going to call people and show them the temple. No, it's not just that, right? So 3rd October is a date when Krishna is going to go to their houses, right? So look at it like that, right? Look at the important aspect of Bhagavatam, right? Bhagavatam, everybody who has donated, everybody who is taking it, everybody who is gifting it, everybody are going to be, it's important for everyone to be there on that day and celebrate the moment, because actually, knowingly and unknowingly, we are dealing with Krishna here, right? So I want all of you in the call to do some services before that date, right? So the first service that we have to do, uh, wait a second, I think Parth, Hriday, and Anuradha, if you want to switch off your video, please do so. Yeah, okay. So what I'm telling is, there are few set of services that we have. Am I audible? Am I clearly audible to everybody?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, great. Yeah. So there are few set of services before the event, during the event, and after the event, right? And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a note of whoever is going to volunteer for these services, right? Um, so, Sucharita Mati, can you type it if that's okay? In WhatsApp group itself, we can type as in when we get any volunteers, right? So, Hare Krishna. Dasraj Prabhu, thank you for coming. Hare Krishna. Yeah.
Hare
So,
Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna
Pleasure.
Prabhu. Yeah. So basically, we have distributed, or we have encouraged devotees to buy or gift or donate 225 Bhagavatam sets as on date. And it can, I don't know the exact number, maybe it is going to increase by another 4 or 5, right? Um, so, so the status of the distribution is in 3 categories. Number one, devotees have bought the Bhagavatam for themselves, and they have either already taken the delivery, or they are going to take the delivery, or delivery is not yet done. Actually, what happened is the stock is not there in the temple. Whatever stock was there was already taken away by devotees. The new stock of Bhagavatam sets is ordered. It'll reach in another 1 or 2 days to the temple. So the temple is going to send the Bhagavatam sets to their houses, right? 99% cases it is going to get shipped. In 1 or 2% cases, the Bhagavatams will be taken in the temple on that day by some devotees. Okay, so either the Bhagavatam will be shipped, or they'll be taking on that day. Okay, so this is the category. So the first category is people who have taken it for themselves, right? Second is some devotees who have gifted it, meaning they might have gifted it to a temple, or they might have gifted it to their parents or their friends or a library or somewhere, some common place they've gifted. Now, in this case also, some of the Bhagatams are already shipped, and some of the Bhagatams are going to be shipped. Okay, simple. And the third category is devotees who have donated it, right? So donated it is, they are not particular about to whom it is going. They have donated it, that please do it on our behalf, send it to a temple or to a school, right? Or to a right place where you think Bhagavatam is needed. So we have chosen uh, temples firstly, whereby they are interested. We have found out that they are interested, right? Those temple priests are interested, and they are specifically chosen by some recommended pujaris that we had taken help from, and we called almost all of them and told that Bhagavatam is coming, and we heard they're very excited that please send us the Bhagavatam, right? So that exercise is already done. So one is we are sending them to temples. Second is we are sending them to some schools, not many, few schools. Why schools? Because we want the teachers to somehow or the other read Bhagavatam, keep it in the station, in the staff rooms. If not the library, keep it in the staff room. We will see how we can make it happen. Details, be rest assured that once Krishna goes in the form of Bhagavatam to any place, he will find his own ways to preach, right? So Bhagavatam will preach itself. We don't have to worry too much. It preached to me, it preached to you, and it will preach to everybody. That is the second case. Third case is, first is so temple, second is schools. Third case is some students who can't afford, their parents are not buying it to them, and but they're part of Bhakti Yoga club. They want Bhagavatams, but they can't afford it. If they go and ask their parents, they are like, this is not a time, this is not the age to read Bhagavatam, so don't read. So we are going to gift it to those children, right? So they are going to take it. And also some youth preaching centers. Around 3 new youth preaching centers are getting opened, which is equal to a temple actually. It's as good as a temple. So these are the places where we are sending our Srimad Bhagavatam. So some people have gifted it, some people have donated it, some people have taken it for themselves. In all these 3 categories, the sets are either shipped or going to be shipped, right? And we have given it to temples, schools, and students. So these are the 3 categories. Now, all this data is captured in an Excel sheet. I'm going to share you that Excel sheet now. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. Yeah. So where do I see that? 1 second. Hare Krishna, 1 minute. Yeah. Where is that? Let me click this and open once again. Okay. So you all see it, right? You all see this. Yeah. So this is the Excel sheet, Provision Mataji. This is actually a Excel sheet in the Google Docs. So here is a serial number. I'm going to show you a couple of records so you know how the data is captured, right? So here is number 1. Shri Sai Shri is the person who has taken it for self. So self can be a donor, it can be a gift, right? If you go down, it can be a gift, it can be a donor, it can be self. And what is the language that she has taken? And where is she living? In Chennai, right? And it is paid to the temple, right? This is and later after that, is it shipped or not? Is it courier, delivered? All these things, ignore it for now. Yeah, you have the detail, but for now, ignore it. Now, this is the case where they have taken it for themselves, right? So you have understood. And who is the person who inspired them to take? Sri Subbarao Prabhu, and he also coordinated it. So in some cases, the person inspiring is different, the person coordinating is different. For example, I have inspired somebody and I've asked some other Mataji to coordinate the payment and the delivery. So that Mataji's name. So these two actually, for our current discussion, these two are not important. Why we are seeing the sheet is because we want to call all these people to personally come on 3rd October to ISKCON Abbot's temple. Right? Now, Prabhuji, she's in Chennai. I understand. Obviously, from Chennai, she'll not come. But you will ask her to join the Zoom call. Right? Join the Zoom call. So that is something for outstation. For people who are in Khammam, in other parts of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, you can still ask them to come. If they say that no, then we have to make sure that they join by Zoom call. So what the immediate help that we need, Provision Mataji, right now here is, this is a sheet of, wait a second, how many do we have right now? The live count right now, that is around 226. Yeah, so today morning also Amit Prabhu has gifted one more Hindi set. So that adds up to 226. And there are few more sets by Akinchan Prabhu, which are not numbered here, but we have in our overall list. Akinchan Prabhu has done another 2 more sets, which is not captured here, and few other devotees. So I think we already touched 230, if I'm right. But anyway, for now, what we want to do first is we want to allocate 40, 40, 40, 40 rows to each one of the devotees, right? In this call, right? Volunteers. Now, what you are going to do is you're going to call, in case of person who has taken for self, only this person, and here the number is there. But in case of a person who has donated it, like Mr. Prabhakar Prabhu, he has donated it, and he has donated it to this person, and his number is here. is Venugopalacharyalu Prabhu, is a temple, and a temple is where the temple is in Khammam district, right? And two alternate numbers are also given. One number and two other numbers are also given, right? So what we will need you to do is call Prabhakar Prabhu, and we have to tell them thank you very much for donating, right? I mean, actually, we have to tell them. That's not something. It's not a marketing call. We have a gratitude. We have to show that they have actually donated it. Very nice, thank you. And we can tell them that your set is also donated to a temple, and even the pujari of the temple is coming, right? So please come to Hyderabad that one day. And in case you have the Bhagavatam set already with you, for example, in some cases it is already delivered, right? So this is to be shipped, but in some cases already delivered. So if you already have the Bhagavatam set, bring the first canto with you to the temple. Okay, just bring the first canto with you to the temple. What we are doing is for the ones which are yet to be shipped, before they go, we are opening the first canto. We are opening the box in the temple. We are opening the first canto, keeping a sticker on which there is a prayer written by Radhesham Prabhu. Radhesham Prabhu is a very senior devotee. He's writing a prayer, basically praying to Lord Krishna that please allow this person to read Bhagavatam, right? Please encourage him to read Bhagavatam. So that's a prayer. So that sticker, now this time what we did, instead of writing the whole prayer, we made a sticker out of it, and Prabhuji has signed on the sticker itself. So the sticker is being stuck on all the first canto 1 book. There are 18 books, 12 cantos inside that box. Canto 1, that book is only one. So open that. On the first white paper that comes, we are going to stick that sticker and send it to everybody. So for the people who already received it, obviously they have not got that sticker, right? So they can get that Bhagavatam to the temple. So that we'll keep the sticker, and they'll again take it from Prabhuji's hands. We will record it. We'll send them a picture. They'll be very happy. It's like a memorable event. See, we want to make this Bhagavatam receiving ceremony, right? A very memorable event for all the people who are coming. That is the goal, right? We want to make it like a memorable event for everyone to come. So then what we are doing is we are telling them, so each one of us will get 40 rows. So you have to not call one time, you have to call them 2 times, right? The goal is 2 times, both the sender and the receiver, right? Both of them 2 times. One you're going to call in the next 2 days, and the last call you're going to do it on Saturday, right? Saturday prefer, saying just another reminder that please come tomorrow to the temple. It's a courtesy call. Literally, we'll be doing a little bit of call center kind of a thing, which we anyway do every year. So it's a nice service. We will call them and tell, congratulations, Prabhuji, for donating. Congratulations, Prabhuji, for receiving, right? For both of them, right? We don't have to tell whom we have donated right now, because it's not very important. Most of them have donated it. Like, you can give it to any temple. You can just say that we're given to a temple. We're also calling the priest. If they insist that please tell us, you immediately know to whom it is going, right? We also mapped it, right? So it is like that. And you can tell them that 225 Bhagavatam sets have been given, and your contribution is very important for us. You have donated it, and you can also tell the person receiving the 225 Bhagavatam sets are being sent, and you are one among those in entire India. We are doing it to you. So make them feel important. Make them feel that they are receiving something very, very precious, and ask them to come to Hyderabad. And Hyderabad address, ISKCON Hyderabad, you all know. You can make it yourself, and you can forward it to them through chat or through SMS. Send it to them, and so do that call tomorrow. Wednesday, we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days, right? In 3 days, 40. I think each one of you, if you started in 1 hour, you'll finish the 40, maximum 2 hours, right? So we're just breaking the effort, because if one person or 2 people have to do, they'll have to spend 2-3 days continuously only on this, and we have done that in the past while we were selling it. But for now, if you can split it at 40 each, I think all we need is 6 people, 6 devotees, right? 1 to 40, 40 to 80, 80 to 120, 120 to 160, 160 to 200, 200 to 230, 226 to be precise, right? So we request you to call them, congratulate them, ask them to come and bring their Bhagavatam first canto. bring their Bhagavatam first canto. And in some cases where we're going to deliver, but they have not received the delivery, and they're going to come to the venue without the Bhagavatam, no worries. They can come without the Bhagavatam because Bhagavatam is anyway going to them, right? So, for example, if we are shipping the Bhagavatam on Thursday, it may or may not reach them by Saturday, right? It might reach on Monday, but we are asking them to come to the temple for the ceremony, which they can still come. They can still come attend the ceremony. I'm planning to make a small card of Bhagavatam, which Prabhuji will give, just like a token on the stage that you have received a Bhagavatam. Though the actual Bhagavatam is going to them maybe a little later, right? So this is the service number 1 for in terms of pre-preparation, right? Making sure everybody comes. If they say they're worried about Corona, they don't want to come, no problem. Tell them there will be a Zoom link, and you can share that Zoom link, and I will send you that Zoom link, right? In the group, I'll send it to you right after this call. I'll send it to you, and you can share with them. That's the Zoom link of Radhesham Prabhu, where even 500 people can join the Zoom link. It's not a 100 people restriction, so they can join that. Any questions at this point for the pre-preparation? Prabhuji and Mataji.
Prabhuji, may I
Yeah.
ask one question?
Yeah, please go ahead, Mataji.
Prabhuji, so at the time these calls are made, we also ask them like, will they be joining, right? Because it gives us a count as to how many people will come.
Yeah. So Mataji, I am guessing around 400 people, including our devotees, right? Our own satsang, right? We have a satsang in Avatar, Mahim Avatar. We have a satsang in our Gachibowli satsang. And we also have individual satsangs that you all have, from where everybody has participated, small or big way. And again, another important thing, this for our satsang crowd to come, it is not that only the people who donated or contributed should come. No, not like that. It's for everybody. It's our function, right? So everybody in the satsang are going to join. So that's another thing that I am going to focus on. I am going to call the satsang devotees. You're all calling the this list also includes satsang devotees, but there are also some satsang devotees who are not in this list. For example, Vani Mataji. She has not contributed or donated, but that's okay. Previous year she did, but I'm going to call her and tell, please come to the function, right? This is one thing. And one more thing. I want you all to collect their picture. For example, the person who has donated, his family picture, right? The whole family, husband, wife, children. Let them send a picture to you. And you can name that picture, file name with their name, and save it, right? And put it in the group, something like that. And even in case of temples, the picture of them and the temple, or them and the deity, or the temple outside, right? 1 or 2 pictures. Take that and post them in the group, or just save it with that name of the person, right? Why am I doing this? Why we are doing this is because later we can make a beautiful album of who has donated to whom, right? And it's a memory. It can be a card. It can be a card. They can keep that card in the temple also, that this particular family has given Bhagavatam to us, right? Or the family can keep in their home that this particular Bhagavatam we have given to this temple, right? It's a memory forever. So when you call them to the place, and also insist on getting a picture in a day or 2. Ask them to take just a picture on the mobile phone. Let them just take it. If they're in a temple, they can take a selfie along with the deity, or selfie of the temple, or somebody else can take it and they can send it to you. So what you have to do is, you have to save the picture with this row number 4, right? Row number 4. File name should be 4 dash, something like the person's name, the temple pujari's name, Venugopalachari, like that, or 4 dash Prabhakar, right? So we know there is a link, right? It starts with a 4. So if I just sort all the file names, 4 Prabhakar, 4 Venugopalachari, it's very easy for me to later on find out, right? So that way you can save it and keep it. Yeah. Any other questions, thoughts?
Can we motivate Hare Krishna Prabhuji?
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you for joining.
Can we motivate them to join, saying they can also have prasad at the temple?
Oh, yes, yes, of course. Yeah, we are. Okay, I forgot to tell about the ceremony, right? So what is going to happen in the ceremony is uh, Radhesham Prabhu will personally hand over the Bhagavatam sets to them by signing them. If it is not yet signed, or give them the Bhagavatam, in the temple, which is a very auspicious thing to do. Yes, the Bhagavatam might have gone to them by a post, but still taking it again from a sadhu's hands. And Radhesham Prabhu is a very, very senior sadhu. You can tell them. Last 30 years in the movement, he has inspired thousands of couples. So you can tell them that they're going to receive, right? So that's number one. Second thing that's going to happen is uh, there'll be nice discourse on Bhagavatam by Radhesham Prabhu to everybody, right? So one is taking the Bhagavatam, then there is a discourse, then they will have Kirtan, and then Prasadam, right? Then Prasadam. And you can tell them, beautiful Radha Madan Mohan deities, they can take darshan of the temple. And you can tell it's a very big hall, easily 500 people can fit in that big hall. So don't need to worry about too many things. They can nicely come. If they're not feeling well, obviously they will also not come. You can tell, they will not come. But and we have a Zoom call also open. In case, and in the Zoom we'll read out all their names, right? Whoever has donated, whoever has received, we'll read out all the names. It'll take maybe 10 minutes, but we'll read out all the names. So yeah. Any other questions, thoughts? So you can write in the chat who all wants to volunteer for this service. We need 6 devotees.
Prabhuji, I have one question. So the person who bought that Bhagavatam, right? So can we ask them to come to temple on that day, or only for donor and gifted person only to
No,
come?
I said all of them should come.
All of them, okay.
All of
And
them should
we
come.
can ask them to bring that first canto also, right?
Yes. Bring that first canto along with them.
Okay.
Everybody should have a Bhagavatam in their hand, one canto, whether or not it is signed. And if they have not received the Bhagavatam, they can come there without any Bhagavatam. That's okay. The Bhagavatam will come eventually, but they let them come. Right? And as I said, they don't have to be told to which temple it is going. You can say that it is given. You can tell that even the temple to whom you are donated, we are also calling them to come. If they ask, then you can give the detail also that this is the temple that we have given. But don't think that you have given to a temple. Many have given to many temples. So they're randomly allocated. You know what I'm saying? It's not like we wanted to allocate your Bhagavatam to a temple. No, it was not like that. So we had 110 temples and we had 110 donations. So we allocated 110 temples to 110 donations. So if they say, oh, why this temple? Say that, Prabhuji, or Mataji, we had set of temples, and if you want it to be switched, we can switch it. It doesn't make any meaning, right? I mean, it's absolutely fine. I don't think anyone donating will have such kind of a thought, but you can tell them. Like in this case, you can see row number 6, Prabhakar Garu. He is a donor and is going to a student called Ankit Vadavan, and he's going to get the Bhagavatam. He's a student who can't afford it, and we are giving the Bhagavatam to him. Yeah, any questions? So why don't we go ahead and volunteer? We need 6 devotees. So in the chat, you can write your name, and I'll start. We'll immediately start allocating one by one.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Dasraj Prabhu. Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, one thought while I'm just checking this Excel sheet, I see
Yeah.
there are donor names repeated. Probably, one donor devotee donated to multiple maybe temples or students.
Yes.
Probably one thought, I think, we need to allocate all that to one person. For example, I see K. Prabhakar Prabhuji, he donated to a couple of them. So by any chance, if we allocate to 2-3 different volunteers, everybody will end up calling him.
Yeah. But such cases are very less, Prabhuji. Only in the beginning you will see such cases. I think even if they get one extra call, that's okay. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So one call for all the donations, only one call. Right. And the donees we have to call many times, because of the donees. And in some cases, the donees have received more than one Bhagavatam set also. Like in one temple, we are giving 3 Bhagavatam sets. So you have to call only once, right? So if somebody is getting more than one Bhagavatam set, we have to ask them to get both the first cantos of both the Bhagavatams, because you're going to sign on both the Bhagavatam's first cantos, right? So that can be told. So can we have any volunteers, please? We'll close this first item so that then we can go to the next one. Or you can just call out your name if you're okay. You can unmute yourself. I think you're all on mute.
Yeah, Prabhuji, you can add me.
Okay. So Prabhuji, Praveen Prabhu, I'll just go ahead with that. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm also typing in the. Are you typing, Mataji, or should I type?
Yeah, Udayanand Prabhu is
Prabhuji,
asking
I'm
in the
typing.
group too.
Oh,
Prabhuji,
so
I just
beautiful.
summarized what has to be the context
Hari
and
bol, Hari
the
bol.
pointers for calling donors and receivers.
That's amazing. So Udayanand Prabhu has already written a transcript of almost what I told. Right? Wonderful. Hari bol. So it's already there in the SB. So now, Prabhuji, we have volunteers.
I'm making note of them, Prabhuji.
Okay. So Praveen Prabhu. Who
Yes,
else?
Prabhuji.
Who else? Can you please announce your name so that we can close this?
I
We need
can
6
also
people.
make few calls, Prabhuji.
You can also call
Padma
Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji, I can make few calls.
Padma Mataji.
Padma Mataji. Okay.
I can do as well, Prabhuji.
Thank you. Thank you, Dasraj Prabhu. Really,
That's
really
it,
grateful.
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, if need be, I can do that because anyway, this week I'm completely off.
Yeah, you're jobless also, right?
Yeah. Monday and Friday.
You're in between jobs.
Yeah. Jobless actually. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm just kidding, Prabhuji. So
Prabhuji,
we have
one
Udayanand Prabhu. Sucharita Mati, did you also say your name?
No, Prabhuji, but yes,
Okay.
that is fine, Prabhuji. Yeah.
No. You already have other services, so you've been doing a lot. But if you want to opt, see, only we need 5 people actually. So we already have Dasraj Prabhu, Praveen Prabhu, Padma Mataji, and who else?
Udayanand Prabhuji.
Udayanand Prabhu, 2 more. Anybody else on the call? You're on mute if you want, if you're speaking.
I'll do it, Prabhuji.
Shri Gopal Prabhu, yes. Hari bol. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Very good.
One more devotee. Can any one more devotee opt? I don't know.
Prabhuji, I'll do it, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Who is this?
Maybe
Who is
we
this?
both will Sucharita too.
Okay, great. Yeah. Okay. So you can write those lists, Mataji. And can you allocate, and Prabhuji, maybe Mataji, maybe we can take the last one, the 2026 one, right? We'll have other
Sure,
services
Prabhuji.
also. So 200 to 226, you take the last one, a little less number. And
Sure,
remaining all, I don't think it will take that much time. I'm telling you, most of the case, sometimes the donors are repeated, sometimes donors are repeated. You'll finish the whole thing in some time, but make sure that you're calling 2 times, everybody, 2 times, right? One is in the next 2-3 days. And if they're not lifting, send a message and ask them to call back and tell that it's about the Bhagavatam set. They will call back, they will return the call. And we kept 2 alternative numbers, right? In the case of receivers, for all cases, we kept 2 alternative numbers. Even in case of students, tell them to come. In case of students, tell them to come to receive their Bhagavatam set in the temple. So, yeah.
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Prabhuji, students' contact numbers are not there, Prabhuji.
Okay. Don't worry about that. Students ignore. I'll take care of that.
Sure, Prabhuji.
I've already told their coordinator to bring all of them. He will take care of it. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Sure, Prabhuji. Sure, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Okay. So the donors, the donees, yeah. So we have 6 devotees, right? So you have to. So basically, once again, you have to call in the next 2-3 days, preferably tomorrow, so they have some time to plan. Right? 3 days ahead, we are telling them, please come on Sunday to ISKCON Abbott's temple by 5 o'clock. Tell them by 5 o'clock. And 5:30, our the program starts in Dwarkapuri Hall, right? So you can type that also, Mataji, the address and etc. in the group.
Sure,
So,
Prabhuji.
and every one of you, according to the row number, please take their photographs also and save them in your folders. And then you can zip them or put them in the group. and we'll pick it up and we will try to make an album out of it. That's a different another task, right? We'll do that.
So both of them, Prabhuji, donor and donee both, right?
Donor, donee, and even self. Some people have taken it for themselves also. We'll keep the picture separately. Okay. So this is about pre-task. I think we are done. We are done with the pre-task, right? Now, any questions before we wrap up on the pre-task? I think this is the most important thing to do. And anytime you have a question, please put it in the group. Myself, Subhara Prabhu, Sucharita Mataji, and Saraswati Mataji. We know almost everybody in that list. We can answer it if you have any questions or confusion. Right?
Which is just one question. I mean, some of these devotees may not know English, right? So, I mean, if they only know Telugu, or I mean, that might be a little.
Then you can immediately call. You can call any others in the group, right? And say,
Yes,
can you speak? Yeah. You can leave a note. You can leave. This serial number. This they know only Telugu. Can somebody else call in the group? So immediately that can be assigned to somebody else, and dynamically we can.
I think Sri Gopal Prabhu, we both, I don't know Hindi, you don't know Telugu. So you pass on those people who do not know Telugu. I'll pass on you the Hindi guys who doesn't know Telugu.
Okay.
So that is, so we are all clear. Okay, great. So most important task you're already taking care. Next, Prashadam arrangements, I'm taking care. I'm taking care of the Prashadam arrangements. And decoration. On the 3rd of October, we will need at least 10 devotees to come in advance by 2 p.m. Maximum by 2 p.m. It should not be that you're coming at 3 p.m. there. No. By 2 p.m., we want you there. Whoever is going to volunteer. 10 devotees. Me, my both sons and my wife, we are anyway there, right?
Prabhuji, myself, Prabhuji, I will do that.
Yeah. So
our family also, Prabhuji.
yeah,
Giriraj Prabhu.
Yeah, Giriraj Prabhu and Lavanya Mataji. Wonderful. Yes. So please come by 2 p.m. Have your lunch. By 2 p.m. you should be in the temple, not start from the home at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. in the temple, in Dwarkapuri Hall. Because we had this surprise last year. Some devotees struggled to keep everything. And at 4:30 devotees, Dandavat Pranam Prabhuji, we have come. Like, come on, you gave a time, right? This is a service. It has to be taken seriously. 2 p.m. you have to be there in the hall. It's okay if you be at 1 p.m. also. But 2 p.m. in Dwarkapuri Hall, because there is a lot of decoration.
Don't worry about Prashadam. I think Govinda's is already open, so you can eat lunch there also. Okay.
Who is that? Akashvani?
Yes.
My wife. Okay. Haribol. Haribol. Okay. Yeah. So just now Anuradha told she's going to bring Prashadam for everybody. So don't worry. And you can come by 2 p.m. Right?
Yeah, I can take you to Govinda's. Don't worry.
Okay. And Govinda's only has very basic Prashadam. Let me also tell you, some idli, some dosha, like that, even during the lunchtime. If you want to come, nothing like it. Actually, the best thing to do is come by 12 o'clock to the temple and take darshan of Shri Shri Radha Madan Mohan. We can also attend the Sandhya Arati, sorry, the afternoon Arati, and we can see the Rajbhog offering happening. And then we can also go into the Govindas, have our lunch, peacefully enter the Dwarkapuri Hall at 2 o'clock and start the business, right? And start the whole decoration. So there is a lot of decoration work, Provision Mataji. I have like 120 posters, 120 posters. They all will go around the hall, right? So we need a stapler, we need a tape, we need XYZ. So I'm going to buy all that and bring. I have some of it already. I also have the posters. I will bring them, right? I need to check if I still have that big Bhagavatam poster, or do I need to print it again? I don't remember that, but I'll see if we can get it. So
it is
that
there.
is the big Bhagavatam one, the one that is behind.
Yeah, it is there.
It's there in our house?
Yeah. We
Okay,
opened it the other day, Balwant Prabhu.
Oh, great. So it's there. So I need to see if there is a year written on it. If there is a year, then I have to just white paint it or do something and change it to 2021. Right? We'll do that. Okay, so posters we're getting. Now flowers. Lovesh Prabhu has already volunteered to get the flowers. So he's going to go to Gudimalkapur and I will take care of that, telling how many flowers we need. We need flowers for Abhishekam. We will take Radha Gopi Vallabh to the temple and there'll be Pushpabhishekam. There'll be everyone.
Oh, did you ask?
Aarti.
Did you
Yeah.
ask?
Yeah.
Prabhuji?
Yes. Prabhuji wants to see Radha Gopi Vallabh. So we'll take Radha Gopi Vallabh to the temple, and we'll also do Abhishekam, Pushpabhishekam, and Aarti. Prabhuji will do the Aarti also. Radhesham Prabhu will do the Aarti also, like last time we did. Right? There will be Bhagavatam also will be kept like Krishna. So think innovatively. How can you keep Bhagavatam like Krishna? Right? Now itself start thinking, all that, what's that, cut and paper work. Think about it. And any other things you want to decorate innovatively, think Prabhuji and Mataji, something like last time when Mataji did amazing job. She kept like all 7 anarthas like steps, and then finally Krishna on the top. You have to cross all of them and go to Krishna. She made something out of it. I think it was Saujanya Mataji who did that. So,
You also
use
need
your,
some Matajis for Rangoli.
yeah, some Mataji is also needed for Rangoli. We can do some nice Rangoli there with the flowers, right? So I'm planning to order like Banti Pulu. I don't know what you call them in English, but basically 5-6 bunches of them. So you can nicely decorate the behind portion, and then lot, 1 kg of different roses. So we can plug the petals for Pushpabhishekam, and some 4-5 garlands, right? One garland for Radhesham Prabhu, and we'll also get Prabhupada's garland for him there, and like that. So Prashadam, menu, and finalization, I'll take care of that with Karthik Prabhu, where the cooking will happen, how we'll bring there, all those details I'll take care in the next 1 week. So I'll be busy with those things, right? We don't need any donations. So that's a good news. I don't think we need any donations. We'll figure it out, because we did raise a little bit of funds when we sold Bhagavatams, because in between the couriers, we don't know. At this point, I think we should be okay. And also this time we are not going for very elaborate prashadam. We're trying to keep the prashadam simple. One, it is easy to serve, and second, I don't think we have big budget there. With 400 people, we can't do a big. So we'll be doing nice ISKCON khichdi, and we'll be doing a nice pakoda, something like that. I'm just revealing the menu to the core group here, and some khichdi, pakoda, papad, some chutney, and I don't know, one sabzi, one sweet, of course, right? Gulab jamun preferably. So we'll do that, right? So I'll be working on that aspect, and bringing the prasadam to the temple. And during the event, we will need some devotees to invite, stand near the main door, and bring them in and respectfully make them sit, make them comfortable as they come inside. And whenever the name is announced, their name is announced, a loud Haribol. We need some devotees to be shouting Haribol, so that the whole place becomes lively while the Bhagavatams are given. It shouldn't happen that, okay, Prabhakar Garu, here is your Bhagavatam, everybody sitting like, very nice. No, Haribol, like that. So it has to be like people alive, right? People lively. so even he feels that he has given a Bhagavatam or taken a Bhagavatam. You know what I'm saying, right? Yeah. So whenever they remember this event, they should be like, oh, and for once in my life, I went to a place where people were alive, right? So ISKCON devotees means always alive and happy. So we're going to show that. And of course, there'll be dance. After the dancing kirtan will be there. We'll make sure every person from the age of 1 to 100 is pulled into the dance. So we'll make sure everybody dances, all Matajis, all Prabhujis, all Pujaris, everybody, right? So let them experience the mercy of Mahaprabhu by loudly chanting the holy names and lifting their hands and dancing. So that is one thing. Prasadam serving, I think dynamically we'll get devotees there. We don't have to plan about it now. We can dynamically ask some devotees to get behind the stage and start serving the prasadam. Wrap up, it will be taken care by the temple authorities, the cleanup of the hall and all that. I'll speak about it to the brahmacharis there. They'll take care of it. We will do our part. We will not leave the hall in a haphazard way. We will remove the whatever is removable, and we'll leave from there. Most of the cases, this time carrying the Bhagavatams to individuals will not happen, because Bhagavatams will either reach their home or already have reached their home. So they'll only get a first canto with them. Because last time I remember in 2019 when we did this, literally we had to carry like 100 Bhagavatams on our shoulders, Bhagavatam sets like 30 kgs each, to their cars, to their autos, and to their, and some people told that they'll come, they did not come, and 30 Bhagavatams were lying in the temple. So we had to bring them to our houses and then go and give it in their house. It was like a big thing. But this time, good thing is the Bhagavatams are either already gone to them. By third, either the Bhagavatams already reached their houses or they are in transit. They are in transit. They will reach them, right? But we are not going to do that handover activity, hopefully, this time. Yeah, any questions now? So we'll have one more call on Saturday, right? Just one more call on Saturday, maybe the same time, unless it's too late for all of you, 9 o'clock, Saturday evening. And just to check where we stand. I think everybody understood. So we have volunteers to call everybody and make sure that they come. Please tell them it's very important that you all come, because without you, how can we celebrate? That is how the language should be. Without you, how can we celebrate? आपके बिना कैसे हम celebrate कर सकते हैं? మీరు లేకుంటే ఎలా celebrate చేసుకుంటాం? So they should feel special, Provision Mataji. They should really feel special. Why we are doing this is because Krishna is going to their house, right? See, they're all Krishna's guests. And how do you take care of Krishna's guests? If you take care of Krishna nicely, Krishna's guests you should take care even nicely, right? So all the people who are receiving Bhagavatam are Krishna's guests to the temple, and we have to take care of them like that. Okay, any other suggestions, thoughts, or we can wrap up? It's been a long day for me as well.
Prabhuji, whom should we call, like this number, this person? So does anyone allocate the job like that, or for example,
Yeah.
for me, which number to which number after?
I think Sucharita Mata is already doing it, if I'm right.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah, in the chat, we'll right away write the numbers in that Srimad Bhagavatam book distribution WhatsApp, right? In another few seconds, minutes, or some time, you will get it. Tonight you will get it. It's very simple, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Yeah. And Dasaraj Prabhu, I would request you to get brochures of your cow products. We can give it to them, and you can get more. You can keep it there, and it's a good awareness. We can spread. It's a good event. Many temple pujaris are coming. So if you want to give a bunch of them to each temple, they can keep in their temples, right? It can be once a wide spread. It's a good thing to take. Gomatas. You can bring it.
Sure, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Yeah. And what else? And if anybody is doing science of self-realization courses, I have to discuss with the preachers that if they want to bring if they want to make a pamphlet of their course and give it to the pujaris and the people who are coming, that will be great, right? So that after this they can attend. Or actually, we can call them. We have their contacts. We can always call them, and yeah.
Okay, what's the time of the program? Like it will start
5:30 to 8 o'clock. So 5:30 to 6:30 or 5:30 to 7 actually, because we distributed so many Bhagavatam sets, we have to give everybody 30 seconds each. Also, it will take 1.5 to 2 hours, right? So 5:30 to 7:30 will be distribution only. 7:30 to 8:30 most probably will be Prabhuji's discourse, and 8:30 to 9 will be dance. 9 o'clock Prashadam. We'll see how much we can squeeze the distribution part. How much we can shrinken it. So the 20 seconds per person who is taking and receiving, tuck will go.
So dance also there, Prabhu?
Huh?
Dance also there.
Yeah, we have, as I told, everybody from age 1 to 100 has to dance. Under age 1, it's very difficult to dance. And above 100 also, it's difficult to dance. So anybody between age 1 to 100 has to dance. There is no discussion.
We have to pull and then.
Yeah. They will dance. Prabhuji will do nice kirtan. We all will dance. They will also dance. Okay. So I'm very grateful, Provision Matajis, for everybody to join this. It's a big team effort. It always has been. I think even now we are depending on the team effort only for it to be very successful. If you all call these devotees, then I'm sure hall will be filled. Hall will be filled. 400 is nothing. because 225 donors and donees, right? If all of them turn up, plus devotees, right? Plus devotees. Devotees are almost 100. So even if half of them come and half here, we are done. So I'm going to send the Zoom call details, right? I'm going to write after this call. I'm going to send the Zoom call details. You can share that. You can share that in as and when you speak. You can share it to their WhatsApp. Keep sending it. So you can everybody who's calling the donors or donees, you're going to send it to their WhatsApp, the address of the temple, and the schedule. I'll type it. I'll type it and keep it. You can just copy paste and send it. Right? It's easy for you. Right? And send it once again on Saturday. Right? On Saturday, you're going to send it once again, just as a reminder to make sure that they come. Yeah. And we are cooking for 400. Right? We don't know how many will come. 400 we are cooking. And we're not going to make
Saturday
it
again we have to call probably. Saturday again we have to call them, right?
Yes. Saturday again you have to call them.
Okay.
Prabhuji, we'll be also a part of decoration, Prabhuji. We'll be there to sharp 2 p.m. in the
Yes,
temple.
yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody, let's celebrate it. Huh? It's our event, our function.
We
Radha
are there
Krishna.
from morning, Prabhuji. So we are at your disposal. You can use us wherever
Hare Krishna,
you
Hare
can.
Krishna. Probably that's a very you humbled me by saying that. I'm very grateful. That's
Even if you want us to clean the chairs and the roof, the banquet hall, whatever it is, please.
Ayo Krishna. And it's temple actually. If we clean it also, that is the greatest Sukruti, right?
The
I mean,
decoration, yeah,
doing the
anything,
temple, yeah.
anything.
So
Whatever.
please come by 12. Let us make it by 12 actually. So we can attend the Aarti and we can also have some prasadam in the temple and we can get started. Everybody please come in devotional dresses, dhoti, kurta, Prabhuji's, irrespective of saying. And you can tell actually, the people who are going to come, that please come in devotional clothes. Obviously most of the people we don't have to tell, but say that it's going to be devotional environment. So please come in the right attire. So, they will come. And we'll need a volunteer to keep tilaks to some of them who will come, who don't have a tilak. So that will take care, children, there will be a lot of devotee children who will take care of that. Okay, we are good then.
Prabhuji, one question,
Yeah.
probably one clarification, in fact.
Yeah.
So for people whom we are sending the Zoom links, so in order to track how many of them will not be attending the event, guaranteed, and for whom we have sent the Zoom link, are we expected to make a note on the Excel sheet, probably add a column at the end in the
No
remarks?
need. No need.
We
don't
we're
have to
not
track that
bothered
much.
about that. Okay.
No. And if they told that they'll come and they have not come, that's okay.
Yeah. All right.
They told that they'll join the Zoom and they have not joined Zoom. That's also okay. We are doing our best effort to invite them, and that's where it ends, right? We are inviting them 2 times. One is in the next 2-3 days, and then again on Saturday.
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna, for the second time when we try tracking the calls, right? So if we get a confirmation on their appearance at the temple, we can plan on prasadam, I think.
So I couldn't follow what you told, Prabhuji.
What I was saying is the second call that we make to the receivers and donors, if at all we can get a confirmation, even if it is 50-50, based on that, we will get a head count of presentees there. But I don't know to what extent we can believe in that confirmation.
Yeah, but it's okay. I think we are okay. We'll get to know by gut feel. We'll know, whether this person will come or not. And let's keep a probability. We are cooking for 400. We can increase that to 500 any moment.
Yes.
Right. It's in the temple, so we will have the extra groceries. The Shadam is, don't worry about that. And that's why we are not making 5-10 course meal. We are going for khichdi. Nice filling ISKCON special khichdi, right, with everything in it. And nice, gulab jamuns, right? Nice papad, and so we can increase the menu very easily that way. The size. If you go for puri, sabzi, fried rice, then it's very difficult. Suddenly, all is over, and the last 10 people only get plain rice. That's not the way. So we'll just keep one big menu.
Sure.
That will also cost us reasonably, because I'm not sure. Subbarao Prabhu just joined our finance minister, so I don't know how much.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
How much we'll save at the end of the whole thing, because actually transportation is costing big time. We collected, I think we should have collected more, Subbarao Prabhu, right?
No,
But anyway,
Prabhu.
whatever we collected is okay. We'll see.
I'll let you know by tomorrow, Prabhu, how much is remaining and stuff.
Yeah. You'll apply for a bank loan otherwise.
I
Kuvera
got
Bank.
few.
Kuvera Bank. Hare Krishna. Arvind Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam. Nice to see you.
Dandavat Pranam, Prabhuji.
So your boss
I
paid
joined
you.
late, Prabhuji. I came late, so I joined late. But I will take the update from Padma, so no problem.
No. You're a wonderful couple. You're here. I'm so happy. And even Dasraj Prabhu is there. Whole family is there. Yeah. So, okay, Giriraj Prabhu, any other suggestions, Prabhuji? Are we good?
Last year, not last year, 2019, we have a video, right, Prabhuji, how we distribute. So if somebody wanted to know the plan, we can share that video.
Video. Oh, yeah, I can share that video. But in the video, you'll only see Prabhuji speaking.
No, distribution also there, I think.
Distribution also has happened. Basically, we'll call one person and he'll come and Prabhuji will get the Bhagavatam set to him. Last time what happened, Prabhuji, is Bhagavatams were given in the temple. Right? Corona didn't exist then. Corona did not take birth at that time. So, we could give the Bhagavatams in the temple. Nicely, Prabhuji signed and we could literally give and then the set. But this time, the problem is Bhagavatams have either already gone to them or they are in the ship or in the shipment status, right? So, but still we'll call their names. See, what will happen is, that's why we're telling everybody who calls, ask them to get their first canto also. If they received it or they have not, if they have it, get their first canto also, so that they will come with their own first canto to the stage. Prabhuji will just hold it like this and we'll take a nice picture and we'll announce the name, say Hari Bol, done. So they'll go back and sit, right? So we'll do one by one. It will be a very, very, busy thing that will happen. That 1.5 hour, calling each person's name, they're patapat, they're coming and going, and they'll be done. And then we will announce some others in the Zoom. We'll just read the list, for everybody else, thank you very much. And then Prabhuji will give a lecture. Sometimes Prabhuji, what it does, last time, Prabhuji has a complaint on me that I take too much time calling people's names and glorifying them. So what Prabhuji did last time, that I'm sure you'll not give me any time. So he gave the lecture in the beginning only. He said, I'll do the lecture. Leandas, you do the announcements later. That also might happen. That is also possible. It's dynamically. Because once I had called Prabhuji for Bhagavatam distribution, I think in 2016, we had some 45 Bhagavatams that had to be given. Sri Gopal, remember? So I was calling and introducing everybody. And I was elaborately introducing everybody. 4 hours went in introducing and calling only. And then Prabhuji got half an hour to talk. Anyway, Prabhuji was happy with that, but Prabhuji is like, okay, let me also give them a good talk. It's up to Prabhuji whether he wants to talk before or do the distribution before.
Prabhuji, do we have that list already? I mean, like the list of people in that order.
Yeah. We'll follow the same order that is there in the list.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Okay,
first in, first mercy.
Prabhuji, I'll explain Prabhuji. He's a latecomer backbencher.
Everybody's name will be called. We will not spare anybody. Everybody's name in Radha Madan Mohan Temple, every donor's name, every donor's name, every gift name, every person who has taken it for him, so his own self, all those will be called. Actually, Sucharita Mataji, if you can allocate to Padma Mataji, if you can allocate from 150 to 200.
Sure, Prabhuji.
Right? Try to give that lot in between 160 to 200 or 120 to 1, because during the time I called almost everybody in Avatar. Right? So she might know most of them in Avatar.
Sure, Prabhuji. I'll
That
do
slot,
that.
120 to 180 Madhila, most of them are Avatar only.
Sure, Prabhuji.
Haribol. So I think it's late also. I also have one more call to take actually. So thank you all for coming, and let's make it a big gala. In material language they say, let's go wild, right? So we are going to go wild party. Hari bol, Litai Gaur Premanande. Hari Hari bol.
Hari Hari
Hari Hari Bol.
Hari
Bol.
अच्छा कल्पतरुभ्यस्य कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। श्री राधा मदन मोहन की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।
ప్రభు
हरे कृष्ण।
రాధేశ్యాం ప్రభు స్టిక్కర్లు అయిపోయిందా ప్రభు?
ఆ స్టిక్కర్స్ ఇచ్చేసాం రోజు, ఇచ్చేసాం. వాళ్ళు సిక్ చేసి పంపిస్తున్నారు. అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ స్టిక్కర్స్ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్. సో whoever is getting from here and doesn't have a sticker, we'll keep the sticker on that.
హరి బోల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Yeah, stickers are already arranged. Hari bol. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.